Hello guys, in this video we will learn about how to solve queries in relational algebra. Okay, so let's begin. Here I am taking three tables naming seller, reserve and boat. Okay, the seller table consists of the seller ID, seller name, rating and their ages. And reserve table contains seller ID, boat ID and day. And boat table consists of boat ID and boat name and color of their respective boats. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you what we have what we will do if we have to select no sorry if we have to relate these two tables. Okay, the seller table and boat table. So for relating or setting relationship between any tables, any two tables or any three tables, first of all we have to find what is the common in these tables. Okay, so for setting relationship between these two tables, the seller table and reserve table, we have to find what is the common in these both table. Okay, so what is common here? Here seller id is common in both table. Okay, now if we have to set relationship between the reserve table and boat table, so what is common in these two table? In these two table the boat id is common, so using boat id we will set relationship among these two tables. Okay, what if we have to select or we have if we have to set relationship between these two tables, the seller table and the boat table. So first for setting relationship between the seller table and boat table, first of all we have to set relationship between the seller table and reserve table, then reserve table and boat table, then linking all these three tables, then the relationship is set between the all these three tables. Okay, so these are just introduction. By using these tables only, I will explain you what is how to solve queries in relational algebra, and how to solve queries in tuple relational calculus, what is tuple relational calculus, and how to solve queries using domain relational calculus. Okay, so by using these table only I will explain you. Okay, so let's begin with first example. First example is we have to find the name of sellers who have reserved a red board. Okay, we have to find a seller name who have reserved a red color board. So what we have to find here? Here we have to find the name of the seller, means we have to project the seller name. And what is the condition here? Here condition is the red color board. Here the condition is red color board. So what we have to select here? We will select here the color of the board, which is red color. Okay, so which operations we will use here? Here we will use project operation for projecting the seller name of the seller. Then we will use select operation for selecting the color of the board. And last we will use natural join operation to relate all these three table. Okay, so what we will write? Project seller name, and what we have to select? We have to select a color is equal to red color. From which table? From both table. Okay, then finally we close the bracket and set relationship among these three tables using the natural join operation. Okay, then reserves, then seller. This is the required answer for the above query. So let me tell you what is the natural join operation. Okay, the natural join operation, first of all, it is denoted by this symbol. Natural join operation is denoted by this symbol, and this is a binary operation that allows us to combine certain selections. Okay, that allows us to combine certain selections and Cartesian product into one operation. Okay, and it forms a Cartesian product of its two arguments, perform a selection forcing equality on those attributes that appears in both relation, and finally remove the duplicate column. The best part of the natural join is that it has a nice property that the result is guaranteed not to have two fields with the same name. Okay, so this is what natural join operation. So this is the first query. Now our second query is we have to find the color of boat reserved by seller Luber. Okay, the seller name is Luber here. So we have to find the boat color. Okay, color of the boat uh, which is reserved by the Luber, the seller whose name is Luber. Okay, so how we'll write this? Here we have to project seller name. Sorry. We have to project here color. We have to project here color. No, we have to project here color. Select seller name. What is the name of the seller? Luber. Okay, seller. We use here natural join operation for relating these three tables, that is seller, reserves and boat. Okay, so this is the required answer of the above query. So find the name of find the color of the boat reserved by Luber. Okay, project color. We have to select here the seller name. The name of seller is Luber, which is given in the above query, and we have to relate these three tables by using the natural join operation. So this is the second example. Now we'll go through the third example, third query, which we will solve. Okay, here our third query is find the name of sellers who have reserved at least one boat. Okay, so what will be the answer of this query? We have to project what? We have to project the seller name, because this query the given query is what find the name of the seller. Okay, so we have to project the seller name who have reserved at least one boat. So which two tables we will consider in for solving this query? We will use only these two table. Okay, the seller table and reserve table, because there's no use of the boat table. So we only take the seller table and the reserve table. Okay, so what we will write? We will write seller and reserve. Okay, so this will the name of the sellers who have reserved at least one boat. Okay, so I think this query is clear for you. Okay, so our next query is we have to find the name of the sellers who have reserved a red boat or a green boat. Here or is used. Okay, so which operations we will take here? We will use a project operation here to project the name of the seller, then select operation to select the color of the boat, and third we use the union operation. Okay, and fourth we'll use a natural join operation to relate these three table. Okay, so what will the answer? Seller name color is equal to red, or color is equal to here from boat table is equal to green from boat table and seller. Okay, this is the required answer for the above query. Okay.